Hello, and welcome to Fusion Writing, where building character meets creating structure. We're in a whole new month, and oh, is it ever exciting to launch into a new concept. I'm not going to give away my secret, but Victoria's going to give us her Monday compass, and then it'll be my turn. Victoria?
Hello, everybody. Welcome to a whole new week, rather, a whole new month, first week. So, for our compass today, I won't tell you too much, but we've been playing with this idea of creating an experience collection. In my opinion, and as I write in my upcoming book, Zettelkasten for fiction writers, I walk you through a process of using your regular daily environment, your own observations and ideas, as a source that you can capture in your note cards to use in your writing. Well, this time we're going to start breaking that down and really look at how you do that and how to use it in an exercise. So I'm not going to say any more, but get ready to do a little bit of writing because we're going to start looking at some characters and some situations where maybe that experience collection might be something you can start to build if you haven't already, and then look at how to use it. So come back tomorrow, but for now, I will throw it over to Kathleen.
Ooh, how intriguing. I can't wait till we get into that. Well, we're starting with a new character trait. As you know, we focus on one character trait a month so we can follow it and its implications for our character. And so this time we're going to define the character trait, and it's one where the technical term differs from how it's used in common parlance. Well, of course, the common use of the term is really derived from the technical term, but we have to put some little bit sharper edges on it when we're talking about it as a character trait, because character traits have implications for your character, and they are related to how your character really behaves and how people really behave. So if we get it right, then the words that we use will spark emotions in our reader without us having to say that his brow was wrinkled or he scowled or any of these other things that deal with expressions. We'll be able to set up the struggle and let your reader supply the emotions because they'll understand how they would feel in that circumstance. So that's why we want to have sharp edges on our photograph. We don't want any blurry character traits. So come on back tomorrow and we will set up a new character trait for the month of July. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.